Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beautiful triple tassel keychain with embroidery floss, and we're embellishing it with these gorgeous skull and chip beads from John Bead. Now you can use these tassels to hang from a doorknob, you can use them as jewelry, or you can use them from a light pull chain. It's up to you. And the beads, well, you can put beads on almost anything, and John Bead has a great selection, so get over there and check them out. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. You know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a triple tassel keychain. I'm using embroidery thread for these tassels, which can be found in packages of 10 or more colors at most dollar stores. Did you know that some of the earliest examples of embroidery were found in China and date back to the 5th century BC? I wonder if they had dollar stores back then. I would love it if you'd take a second to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment in the comment section. Just say hello. I love hearing from you. I really do. Tassel initially was a knot at the end of a rope to prevent unraveling, but by the 16th century in France, the first guild of passementiers was created and documented the art of passementerie, which is the art of making fringes, cords, galloons, pompons, rosettes, and gimps. The skull beads that are so popular today were inspired by a mandamala, which is a garland of skulls in Hindu and Tibetan Buddhist iconography. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the largest collection of keychains consists of 62,257 items collected by Angel Alvarez Cornejo in Spain. His collection began at the age of 7, and it's so big it must be stored in his garage and a rented warehouse, and under the sofa, and under his bed, and in the bathroom, and anywhere else he can find a little space. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead and everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.